I would be surprised if the Senate did anything for health care, and that's a bleak assessment of where we are. This is the holiday season. I got to put this in context. This is the holiday season, so we're reminded of the Christmas story and no room at the inn. This is a triple whammy. In the United States, 47 million Americans are facing food insecurity, and this big ugly bill is about to force about a third of a million Illinoisans off SNAP in the first months of 2026. When it comes to housing, there's a continuum of care funded by the Department of Housing. In Illinois, there's going to be a gap in this funding, at the very least, if not permanent cuts. More than 20,000 people are going to lose access to permanent housing, and there's going to be a cut of about 27,000 emergency beds. And then finally, you mentioned health care. Well, it's the third of the whammies. There's no room at the inn. There's nothing to eat. And if someone gets sick, you're in trouble. About 500,000 Illinoisans will have their premiums increase by an average of 80% in 2026. And with the Medicaid cuts that come the year after that, about 300,000 Illinoisans will lose their health care coverage. And a lot of rural hospitals are at risk of closure. So it's Scrooge would blush at what we're seeing here, and at least he was redeemable.